Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you the Infographic Designer visual. Now this visual is not available out here directly. In the visualizations panel, we have 33, it's not available there. You have to go to the app source, click on the three dots, click on app source and import from there. If you don't know how to do that, watch my other video on how to import visual from app source. Let's get started with the Infographic Designer visual. So once you import a visual from the app source, it will be displayed here. I want to click on that. I will expand this and I'll select some fields. So I'll select my category. I want to see my region as well. I want to see my segments as well. And I want to see my shipping mode as well. And now the value I want is sales. Do you see what this chart can do? This is not a normal column chart. You can't do this with a normal column or a normal bar chart. This is something that that gives you the ability to analyze in a much deeper sense, so that you have much more clarity regarding your data. Isn't this visual beautiful? Now if I want, I could shift this, I could put my shipping mode in my row, and I could put my segment in my, one second, I'll do that, my segment in my column. Yes, I'll put my segment in the column. See how easy it is for me to just look at this and analyze. Yeah, I have to zoom in a little, sure, why not. You could also make some changes here. I mean, if you don't want to see a category, just take that, untick that. Let's make it again so that you guys understand. So first what I did was, let's say I'll select my profit this time. I want to see my profit, and I want to see my states. Now you see, immediately you get it that there's some states, from Oregon till Texas, your states don't make you any profit, they're making you negatives, making you losses. Can I have another? So I want my region now. Now you see what's happening right here. Arizona, Oregon, it breaks up into the region as well. If you want to see it by a segment also, not an issue, you can have that as well. So I have my three segments: the consumer, corporate, and home. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful this visual is. Look at the analysis that this visual provides you. Now, with Power BI, you need to practice. Practice is something that is important. It's more of an exploration process. The learning is exploratory. The more you explore, the more data sets you practice on, the better you will get at it. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.